think based
Hey
on...
guys, Metal Pete wanted to do another Blenderfan, and we had one here on the pile.
Yep.
This is slightly earlier version. Still not the first version. This is K63 with plastic blades. So it would be the version before the one we just tested. And with both this and the Casablanca Classic we just tested, somebody had replaced the pull chain and put the wrong pull chain in there. So we had to find some correct pull chains for these. And Metal Pete added a tassel here.
Mm-hmm.
So let's check it out.
Okay, it's set to low. It's a 2-speed. Yep.
0.7.
.69.
Okay. Bet you the power factor is going to be close to 1.
Oh, yeah. 56 watts.
Oh, I was wrong.
Not quite. Almost 3/4.
Interesting.
Alright. Now, the way it's set is it's high off, low off. So this is low, then this is off, and now high. Because they had to put in a 3-speed pull chain.
And dropping. Some of the 2-speed pull chains were like that, high off, low off. The earliest ones with like the round casing.
Yeah.
A little bit of bearing noise still.
Yeah. Okay. 1.25. Oh, over 100 watts, like 108 watts. And still a power factor of 3/4.
And these move a lot of air.
Oh, yeah.
The bottom bearing or the top bearing?
I think the top.
It's harder to get to.
Yeah, I took that thing off and I put oil down the top.
Yeah. If you want to try, what I would do is I'd get the WD-40 straw and go in through the bottom.
Mm-hmm. Well.
And just put a little squirt. Not a whole lot.
Alright. Well, right now I'm going to do a spin down.
Okay.
Since I know what these do airflow-wise.
Yeah, quite powerful.
Oh, yeah.
Were you saying when I was starting the video that you think this should be the last one?
Yeah, based on...
That's fine. We got a lot done tonight.
Yeah, it is a lot.
Then whatever the next day that either that you have a band practice canceled on a Thursday...
Yep.
Or that I don't have that neither one of us has any gigs on Saturdays. You work Saturdays?
No, not at all.
Okay.
Now, I'm helping my friend in Bray Road move.
This Saturday.
Yeah, but that's going to be during the early part of the day, and there's not a whole lot.
Let me look at my calendar for Saturday.
It's like, we'll be done, early afternoon at latest.
Yeah, I'm free Saturday. No, that's Sunday. Saturday's the 31st. Yeah, I'm free Saturday if you want to...
Yeah, I think I'd be easily free, towards the night.
Okay. I'm free Saturday, and then the following week I could do... what days are you free the following week? First week of September.
September, I'm typically free... I would work Tuesday, Wednesday nights.
Okay.
But... I wouldn't be to say that.
Well, just let me know.
And Thursday I practice, and then Friday I do not work.
I'm pretty flexible. The fan stopped, so it's...
Okay. Decade box. Now, I already know I use an 81220 on mine.
You just never know. Sometimes they can be different.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7...
Interesting. It's probably because the bearings are a little rough. Mine usually starts on 5.
Okay. And here is 8. To show you what I get for low speed. Well, even my 3-blade ones, I use an 81220.
Yeah.
That's like perfect low right there.
That is a nice low.
And that's 8.
Yeah. It's interesting because the one at the shop starts on 5 and is slower than this, but still it's a pretty decent 5. So
yeah.
Again, I wonder what this one would be like with the bearings.
9, 10. I'm going to go right to 12, which should equal out this.
You know.
The Blenderfan right behind us. That'll equal out, and you're literally getting the same speed, which is like a low medium. Yeah, you know, yep, that's definitely a perfect low medium. Here's 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and here's 20.
Pretty close to high.
Yeah, it's like a backed off high.
Is it over?
I'm on high.
Yeah, it's a little over in this case.
Interesting, because, yeah, mine works perfectly on an 8, 12, 20, and 20 is like the perfect backed off high.
Not all K63s are the same, plus the bearing condition may have an effect, plus the capacitor condition can have an effect. So
that's true, yeah.
You just never know.
Alright. That's all off. Alright. Let's see how this one does on
Here, do me a favor and try just a little WD-40 in that top bearing. Let's see if it does make a difference. It's right there on the shelf.
Okay.
Just go in through the bottom, like, and you have to find like a hole in the rotor. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
It's usually easiest to use the thing where, nope, the blades are on there.
Yeah, you'd think. Yeah, unfortunately there's no reaching into that.
You didn't make it in?
No.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going to do solid state with this one.
Okay. Usually these are pretty quiet, but let's see.
Yeah, of course, when these are commercially installed,
Yeah.
oftentimes they are put on solid state controls. Even these 4-blade ones, they put them on that.
And I don't think capacitor-based controls were made yet when these were introduced.
No. There was the 5-speed control boxes for those Evergo stuff, you know, those spinner stuff that was packaged. Yeah, there was a lot of that, but...
So far, so silent.
Yep.
Did the WD-40 help? It seems quieter now. Nope, there it goes.
Yeah. Wait, 1, 2, 2.
Okay. Did you do 0 to high?
No, we did not do 0 to
Okay.
high.
Interesting. This one has plastic blades and it's got the stepped flywheel.
Yeah.
I do like the version with the fiberglass blades and the smooth flywheel better, but this version is one I saw as a kid too.
Mm-hmm. What's the stepped flywheel meaning? Let's see.
It's like that where it's not smooth. There's different layers to it. It's not just like one surface.
Okay. Huh. Alright, here's 0 to high. 1.32.
So not a huge inrush. Yeah, I'm pretty tired as well, so I think this is a good time to call it. But thank you, Metal Pete, for coming out and getting lots of fans done.
One more thing I want to do.
Okay.
Before we cut this video is I'm going to go back to low.
You're going to put a low speed on it, basically.
Yep, and figure out what capacitor I would do that with. Alright, it's set to low. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to see what it does on 4. This is set to low. Pretty static. Okay. Here's 5. Here's 5. A little slow. Let's try 6. Yeah, that's more like a low speed.
6 is a Metal Pete low speed.
Yep.
I'll give you that.
That's perfect. Let's give it another moment to see if it speeds up anymore. No, that's actually a good low speed, because if I go from low to medium, which is its factory low.
Right, there's a big jump.
It's kind of a big jump, but it's a reasonable jump.
Right. No, I don't mean that in a bad way. I mean, it's not too close.
It's not too close, but not too far away where it's like low is ineffective and does nothing, but it's... So that's what I wanted to do, because I could add in like a 6 microfarad capacitor up there and basically run that with the low speed coil into the capacitor, and I'd have a low.
Okay. Well, hopefully Metal Pete will come back on Saturday. I can't do a late night Saturday, but I could do.
No.
You know, if I'm free in the afternoon and he comes in the afternoon, we could probably get another dozen fans or so. Yeah.
Another good
round. So we'll see, and if not, we'll look for times next week. So everybody that's been watching, thanks for sticking with us. Thanks again, Metal Pete, for coming down, and we'll see you next time.